planning to go to the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. I'm going with one of my hostel friends. We already had one failed attempt this afternoon because we decided we would go directly from college. But it was so incredibly hot and so sunny that it was just impossible for us to look at all of the exhibitions there without fainting. So we've come back to our hostel. We found out that there's a heritage bus tour in the evening at 6 p.m. So we're really planning that we get entry for that, hoping, praying, we really want to go for that. So we're gonna go now and stand in the line, and hopefully we get that tour. And after that, in the night or like evening after sunset, we will see all the exhibitions. So come along with me. Why are we not on the bus right now?
Because we did not know the timings at all.
Guys, communication degree mein, it's very disappointing that Kala Ghoda has not communicated कि उनके heritage tour के tickets.
See my mehendi, guys.
Let me rant.
That's it. Your day.
No, show your mehendi, show your mehendi. It's so pretty, guys.
We are on the road.
We're gonna enter for the second time now because
First time
well,
हुआ नहीं, it didn't work out.
we explained, but let's go, I guess. Do you think we'll be able to afford anything from these stalls?
Hell no.
इसमें हमारे 4 महीने के हॉस्टल के फीस भर जाएंगे.
Actually,
There is something that's of utmost interest to me right now. Literally, coffee and me go way back. So this, oh okay, also mehendi again. But this, wow, yum.
just looking
Smash.
like a wow.
Just looking like a wow. Guys, there's popcorn here. So guess where we landed up? At popcorn. Yummy. Guess what we got? उसने popcorn गिरा दिया. Sorry, that's
उसका टेंशन नहीं है, मेरा मेहंदी.
mehendi. Popcorn is more important.
No, it
But
is important.
We got popcorn.
It is very important, but मैंने मेहंदी में मेहनत करी है. मैंने कुछ भी
Anyways, mehendi and popcorn both are very important. We got both, guys. That's the point. Literally, the lifelines that I use every single day. BST ki bus, sometimes local, but ignore the random people.
मेहंदी.
But yeah. But yes, the artwork is so good. And then when you look upar, the details, you see those, they are bus tickets. They are literally the bus tickets that my parents used to tell me about because now it's online tickets. But they're so nice. And then upar, the border around Mumbai is literally paper quilling. And it's just so detailed and it's so amazing. This is my favorite one from the entire exhibition here.
Creative, really. It's
So we just saw the last exhibit in Kala Ghoda. What are your thoughts?
very creative. That's my favorite.
The Mumbai and the
Yeah.
bus wala, same. That I found that the most like creative. Plus, I mean creative to sare hain, but that resonates with me the most. Like I use buses every day. I urge her to use buses every day.
I've started.
And then even the local and the rickshaws and Kali Pili taxis, like just love that artwork. It's literally, it captures the essence of Mumbai here.
It does.
Love that. So now we're gonna head back and look at everything again without filming. And then, I know, we'll figure something out. We'll figure something more to do here today because the day is not over. neither are our energies. So let's go. Oh, I think her energy is over. Guess who's gonna make her do more stuff though? Gauri, अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Are we going to the museum to see some pottery? Yeah? See guys, I convinced her to come to one more place with me. Yay! We hope the museum is open still, guys. We just hope.
Generally closes.
Wahi, let's hope. It inside. It's so pretty here. Oh my god. I've never been to this museum, but it looks so pretty. Guys, look what I got. My first shopping from Kalagoda Arts Festival. It's so pretty. I love it. Amazing pieces. You should totally contact them. This is from them only. It's so pretty, guys. Just do it. So I made it back to my hostel room. All the exhibits there were so pretty. We even went to the museum pottery stalls, and they were also so nice. Although as a student I couldn't afford most of those things. I got one thing though which is really really cute, as you saw, and I'm really happy with that purchase. But everything else I couldn't really buy. But all in all, it was such a cute day. I had so much fun with Gauri, and I hope you guys liked the video. See you soon. Bye.